how many languages you can speak?
Yeah, I can speak 3 or 4 languages. I can speak even Spanish as well. Shoma khana tu. So I can speak Chinese as well. Ni huma, shishi. I can speak Punjabi. Oh ki haal ne sunao wallo. So yeah.
Good. How did you learn Spanish and Chinese?
Yeah, I learn while sleeping. You know, I just put the recorder on. I just play YouTube videos and then I learn. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, I can speak English as well, like good English. I can sleep in English, and I can walk in English. Just by doing walking, you can
Okay.
you can
So
speak.
when you said sleeping English, it means while you sleep, you
Yes.
see dreams in English.
Yes. Yeah.
That sounds good. Can you teach me Spanish?
Yeah, you can say Shomara Karamoto.
Shomara Haramatu?
Yeah, it's mean my name is Daniel.
Oh, but you didn't say Daniel in this sentence.
No, in Spanish is alphabet
It's a different
change.
thing
Yeah.
in Spanish. Yeah.
Yeah, she
Okay.
can speak African as well.
Yeah,
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak English, Urdu, and Punjabi, and which one?
Urdu.
Urdu.
Okay, good. Can you teach me some Punjabi, most important phrases that we as foreigners must know?
तुसां दा की हाल है?
Sada ki hal hai?
Yeah, it means आपका. It means how are you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Some other phrases. Maybe some slangs you guys use in Punjabi. Maybe you know. Some movies.
Yeah, I can teach you one very famous phrase of Punjabi. When someone is doing disturbing you, what you say? You will say ja para mar ja. Ja para mar ja.
Ja bara marja.
Yes.
What does that mean?
It just means like go away from me.
Okay. Do you
Yeah.
often use it?
What?
Do you often use this phrase?
Yeah, I use it.
Why? There are so many people who annoy you.
No, like in Punjabi, we have so much comedy, and we use normal phrases in comedy. So what I believe that comedy is the thing which can bring more close relation between humans, and which is the best thing to have an interaction.
Okay. Which language do you often speak? Punjabi or Urdu?
I often speak Punjabi in Ghar, and then I speak English thodi, and then I can mix English and Punjabi too.
Can you say some phrase mixed English
Yeah.
Punjabi?
I come here event ਆਇਆ ਮੈਂ I met you event ਤੇ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਬੜੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਬੜੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਇੰਜ ਕੰਮ ਚੁੱਕ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੋ ਤੇ ਅੰਨੀ ਪਾ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ I can speak a famous phrase as well of Punjabi ਉਹ ਨਵਾਂ ਆਇਆ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ so that's all whole thing.
I know Sonia. Sonia is my love.
Yeah, it's actually phrased by Nathi, Mola Jat and the Nuri Nath and Mola Jat. So Mola Jat, yeah, it's a movie. So Nuri Jat, so Nama Aya Sonia, so it's like that.
Okay, so you can write also in Punjabi, read Punjabi.
No, I cannot write in Punjabi. Like Punjabi is
It's
too
the same thing
tough to write.
like Urdu. It's the same thing like Urdu.
Aha. Okay, which language you often speak?
Probably Urdu and English.
Aha. Why not Punjabi?
I don't have really people around me who speak in Punjabi. My parents, they speak in Urdu or probably English. So
Why it happens in Islamabad? I see there mostly people choose speaking Urdu rather
Yeah.
than any other languages, even if they come from other province.
yeah, because it's like common language. That's why.
And one more thing is because that like English is lingua franca between all the international languages.
Yeah.
So same case in Pakistan. Pakistan has different languages, different region have different languages. So between Punjabi, Pashto, Potwari, Balochi and Sindhi, these all are the communities all around the Pakistan. So all communities connected by only one language, that is Urdu.
How many languages you can speak?
I wanted to speak a lot of languages, but I only speak English and Urdu good. I understand Punjabi, I understand a little bit of Pashto, but no international language I can speak. I'm really sad about it, but I can't.
Okay. When you said that you understand Punjabi and Pashto, how it happens? Like, are there anybody from in your family who are from that background that you can understand?
Actually, in Islamabad, there are a lot of Pakhtuns, a lot of our friends who are Pakhtuns, a lot of Punjabis. Half of my family is Punjabi, but we don't commonly speak that more often. So more often we speak English, and English is actually a second language in Pakistan. So it's the most spoken language after Urdu in Pakistan. And then we mostly speak Urdu, so we understand it because a lot of people around us are from that background.
So, which is your background? Because Islamabad is just like new city.
Yeah, my background originally, my lineage is from Arabia. My family is migrated from there, and it's a long journey. We've lived some time of ours in Tajikistan, then we've lived in Afghanistan, Iran, and then we've migrated to Pakistan. So it's a long migration, but recent migration is from Karachi to Islamabad.
Okay. Well, do you think it's difficult to learn Urdu?
It is not so difficult if you compare it to other languages spoken in Pakistan, like Punjabi and Pashto and Saraiki, Patwari, Balochi, Sindhi. All other languages are slightly more difficult. Urdu is slightly more easier to speak.
What do you mean? Is it in terms of grammar? In terms of what?
I think in terms of grammar, it's more simple. It's more, the pronunciation is more easier. And a lot of things you can relate with once you start living with people who speak Urdu. But Pashtun is the most tough language to understand first and then to speak. So in Pakistan, Urdu is the easiest.
Okay. Do you have any idea? Maybe. Do you want to learn Pashto or Punjabi in the future?
I do speak a little bit of Punjabi. I would have loved to speak Pashto, but I think I've crossed that age now. I can't learn languages now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
What is your name?
Tala Ahmed Qureshi.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan, Islamabad.
Great. How many languages you can speak?
I can speak 4 languages
Like what?
like Urdu, Punjabi, English, and little bit Arabic.
Amazing. What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Urdu.
Okay, good. Can you say something in Arabic?
Yeah. Kaifa haluka?
What does it mean?
How are you?
Oh, how should I respond? I'm well.
Anta bi khair, anta bi quiz.
Anta bi quiz.
Anta bi quiz, anta bi khair. Like I am fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you find Arabic and Urdu languages are similar?
Yes, like Persian, Arabic, Turkish, they are like from same family tree. And Urdu is composed of many languages, that is Persian, Arabic, and Turkish.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So if you can speak Urdu
Yeah.
and you travel to Central Asia, you can manage? What
Yes.
do you think?
I got to speak English as well there, but in Central Asian countries, English is also not much fluent, and not many people understand. But like what I like about Central Asian countries, people are so much nice. So
Yeah.
like it's not difficult to communicate.
Have
with
you
them.
been to any countries in Central Asia?
Yeah, recently I've been to Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan.
Bak-
So in Azerbaijan, you only speak in English, or maybe you tried to find some similar words?
Yeah, there are some similar words as well,
Like what?
like riwayat and like.
Teşekkür. Teşekkür, yeah?
Yeah,
Teşekkür,
shukr,
like
yeah,
Farsi.
yeah. Shukr. Like Azerbaijani language comes from Persian and Turkish. And as I told you that Persian, Turkish, Arabic, they are the basis of our language, Arabic.
It feels like you have like passion to learn languages.
Yeah, I have passion
Do you
for-
find any difficulty or struggle while you learn foreign languages?
Yeah, because if you try to learn languages, you got to understand the grammar as well, and grammar is different, and the normal conversation is different. Like how people normally communicate is different. So you got to find the exact translator, exact tutor
Yes.
to learn those words.
Okay. Which language do you often speak?
I speak English.
So why do you choose speaking English? Do you speak English in Pakistan itself?
Sometimes, but Pakistan, it's also our mother language, Urdu, it's a national language. So we speak that, but English is global language. And since our birth, we learn English. So like it's easy for us to communicate in English.
Can you give me some ideas how I can learn Urdu faster?
Yeah, you can learn Urdu faster by communicating with people here. People are so nice here. Like they can respond to you back as well. They understand English as well, so they can give it its meanings as well. And second way, you can learn through online tutors as well. There are some sites, and Google Translator is also there to help you out.
So can you write Urdu?
Yeah, I can write.
So it means that Arabic and Urdu script the same, right?
Yeah, like Persian, Arabic, they are written in same script, that is Arabic, and sometimes Turkish language in past or during Ottoman Empire, they also use that script.